Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make circles on the radial arm saw. What you're going to need is a square piece of material, preferably 3/4 inches or thicker, to attach the stock to, clamp, a measure, a pencil, nail, the stock of course, and a hammer. The first thing you're going to want to do is figure out the center of your stock. In order to do that, we're going to measure the length and width, and it's both about 9 inches. So I'm going to mark from all 4 corners 4.5 to the center. Alright, so the center is going to be right about there. Now I'm going to take the piece that I'm attaching the circle to and clamp it down. I'm going to try and make sure that it's as close to the blade as possible, just barely touching. I'm lining it up with my kerf on the saw table. Right there should be good. Now I'll clamp it down. Now we're going to decide how big we want our circle to be. I want an 8-inch circle, and because radius is half of diameter, we're going to mark it at 4 inches. Right here should do just fine. And that's where we're going to nail it down. Now I'm going to start the nail into my stock. And I'm going to line it up with where I want it to be. Just like that. Now I can begin cutting, starting with the corners. Now we have a rough circle. In order to get the edges more smooth, I'm going to have to slowly move the saw blade close enough until it's just taking a little bit off. Now you can use the hammer, pry it up. And there you go. A perfect 8-inch circle. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.